Trust is the foundation a marriage is built on. And when that foundation cracks, through betrayal, dishonesty, or years of emotional hurt, the question most couples ask is, can we actually come back from this? The answer, for many couples, is yes. But rebuilding trust doesn't happen by accident. It requires honesty, accountability, and a willingness to do some of the hardest work a relationship will ever ask of you. Not every trust injury looks the same. Some are sudden. Infidelity, a financial betrayal, a lie that changes everything. Others develop slowly. Broken promises, emotional withdrawal, years of feeling like your partner just isn't really there. Both kinds of hurt are real, and both require intentional repair. Here's something important to understand. When trust is broken, the hurt partner's nervous system responds the same way it would to physical danger. Hypervigilance, difficulty sleeping, intrusive thoughts. That's not weakness. That's a predictable response to a relational wound, and it means healing takes time and the right conditions. Before anything else, 3 things have to be in place. First, the harmful behavior has to stop completely, not slow down, not happen less often. Stop. Without that, no amount of conversation can convince the hurt partner's nervous system that it's safe. Second, there has to be genuine accountability. Not, I'm sorry you were hurt. Not, I didn't mean for it to go that far. Real acknowledgement, full ownership of the impact, no redirecting blame toward the other person's reaction. Research by Dr. John Gottman consistently shows that defensiveness is one of the strongest predictors of relationship deterioration. The opposite, genuine accountability, is equally predictive of repair. Third, consistency over time. Trust is rebuilt through hundreds of small, reliable actions. One conversation, one grand gesture, one good week. None of that is enough on its own. The timeline for real repair is measured in months, sometimes years. Both partners need to understand that going in. So, what can couples actually do? Start with transparency. Not surveillance, transparency. Proactively sharing information the hurt partner needs in order to feel safe without waiting to be asked. That communicates something powerful. I have nothing to hide, and I want you to feel secure. Next, create a communication ritual. Set aside intentional time, even 20 minutes, a few times a week, specifically to check in. This gives both partners a container for processing, without every meal or car ride becoming a potential crisis point. Practice what researchers call repair attempts, small bids to slow a conversation down before it becomes destructive. Something as simple as, I don't want to fight about this, or can we start over? The research is clear. Couples who make and accept these bids are significantly more likely to stay connected through conflict. And when conversations about the hurt do happen, try to move from accusation toward vulnerability. From, you did this to me, toward, when this happened, I felt alone and abandoned. That shift opens doors that accusation tends to close. Trying to rebuild trust without professional support is a bit like trying to set a broken bone without medical help. It's technically possible, but the odds of misalignment are high, and the pain is considerably greater. A skilled couples therapist provides something a couple can't provide for itself. A neutral, regulated presence that can hold both partners' experiences at the same time, without taking sides. Evidence-based approaches like emotionally focused therapy, developed by Dr. Sue Johnson, and the Gottman method, have strong research support for helping couples navigate exactly this kind of trust injury. For couples whose faith is central to their relationship, faith-integrated counseling can bring an added layer of meaning and accountability to the process. At Owen Clinic in Edmond, Oklahoma, couples therapy and marriage counseling are available for individuals and couples throughout the greater Oklahoma City area. With a clinical approach grounded in evidence-based practice, and for clients who desire it, Christian principles, Owen Clinic offers a structured, supportive environment for couples ready to do the work. If your marriage has been hurt, reaching out is not an admission of failure. It's one of the most courageous things a couple can do for each other. Owen Clinic, 14 East Air Street, Edmond, Oklahoma 73034, 405-655-5180, or 405-740-1249. www.owenclinic.net. If your marriage has been hurt, reaching out is not an admission of failure. It's one of the most courageous things a couple can do for each other. Owen Clinic, 14 East Ayers Street, Edmond, Oklahoma 73034, 405-655-5180, or 405-740-1249. www.owenclinic.net.